the decision now. Stay here, and then next week we're gonna do all that again. What your plan is you're gonna do next week? Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I got up like 5 something, and then I started cooking pancake because we are going to leave here. Look at, tingnan niyo yung ice ko, guys. We're going to leave here 7:30. Okay, flipping pancake. Where is it?
Mine in the way.
No, it's okay. Okay, you ready?
Yep. All set for the run.
The cloud is still very dark.
Yes.
I don't know when is this going to stop.
They had said it was going to be Saturday and Sunday. I guess they meant it.
So which bag? You're just gonna bring your bag, right? Your black bag to the dialysis.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Because the other bag you put something in there, I think. Because kinda.
What did I put in?
I don't know. You put different. You don't need your blanket.
Oh,
with the blue bag.
that's right. I don't have my blue bag. I then the blue bag, yeah. The blanket I need.
My life, I need you.
Some people train their own dogs. Most people train their own.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why you
It's
focus?
easy to train a dog. It just takes time. You have to invest the time in it. If you have the time to do it, it's easy to do. Dogs are very willing to obey.
I know. Guys, when Tommy saw
You
me,
just want to play with them.
he told me, guys, oh, why you bringing a Chinese thing on my eyes?
I didn't say Chinese thing. I said Asian witch.
Oh, Asian
Look,
witch.
kinda like-
Look,
you're trying to
worse.
make a witch look like that. A
Witch, Asian witch thing. They're like the eyeliner, guys, the wing. Witch Asian. He's gonna be in trouble if I'm witch, huh? He's gonna be in trouble. He's lucky I'm not a witch.
I don't know that.
I have to call somebody in the Philippines
I don't
to
know
witchcraft you.
that. I don't know that.
Yeah. If I'm witch hand, I nako. You lost a lot of weight because I'm doing your blood.
You do my blood all the time.
What? I do your blood. I'm here, guys, and what's the plan? We don't know what yet, but we don't know what's the plan. The plan is I'm gonna lie down in bed and close my eyes and relax. I'm really sleepy when driving here, guys. And mom, while I'm having my music, your mother is kind of like this sleeping, but her hand is like this in her lap because with the music. Like this, guys. And then I don't like this. Keep looking at her. She wears her gloves, the red gloves. I said, why is she wearing gloves? It's not so freaking cold.
Because I can't. The cold when they lock up like that.
Oh. So Tommy's here. We don't know if he's coming or what. We don't know yet.
Right, you will rearrange everything, so we're not.
Not rearrange. Your sister won't come there anyway. And then you have appointment tomorrow.
That's fine.
I'm gonna cook rice because I'm hungry. Tommy's hungry. Anyway, so we have a little bit left over here, guys. Hungry, guys. Sad in this house right now. It's time check, guys. It is 11. Oh my god, it's really fast. 11:70. Is this the one? I think so. I'm gonna cut it. Here. We're having, guys, the thing. You know the thing is just. This thing is so good. I don't know why Tommy doesn't finish this. It's already a week.
He's working.
This wiki. This is a really good seasoning, guys. The best seasoning, guys. Norma.
What about that other calamari you got from the other place?
It's in the other house.
And is that not better or worse?
No, the same thing, but this one different taste. That one is a calamansi. This one is kind of Nor seasoning liquid. It's really good. So hot. Did you see the neighbor? I know you're working all the time. I guess we're still here. Tommy doesn't even go there first. We're debating what we're gonna do.
It's very hard. Like that's what I said about animals. Animals, I love them. I never want to be without them, but they're very hard if you need to go on vacation and do something. Very hard.
Debating because now we're living over there and Tommy's here.
That's why people hire cat sitters and dog sitters.
No.
Because they don't want their animals to feel abandoned.
Because we have 2 houses that we're living in. Yeah. No, we bought a house for a reason, Tommy.
Right. So you know what? We all go back today. We'll all come back tomorrow. I'll come back with Mom tomorrow. And that'll be that. Even a stupid piece of ceiling. You need to get a little joint compound. If you got some sheetrock in the basement, I can cut up and patch it with.
Which one down here?
And the ceiling in the room.
Up there?
Broken ceiling.
I know, but what is shit? Rock, shit. We're gonna get
In the
it.
basement over there.
Didn't bring it. Put it in the car.
No, they got it in the basement at the house.
It's already in there.
Yeah, but you need joint compound.
I can drive Mom with the black car. Okay. Here.
You think she'll go?
Huh?
You think she's gonna go?
She will go. She doesn't complain anymore.
I noticed that, which is good.
I'm just gonna grab her nightgown, her no blanket.
Wait a second. She had the clothes in the bags.
Yeah.
Are they still in the bags?
Yeah.
Are they clean?
Can I take this off?
Why?
No, but you can, right?
Yeah, why?
No, I'm just
That's the
kidding.
key, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
In case of emergency?
Yeah, but listen.
You know the button on it to press to get it out?
Yeah.
You do. You're saying that, but you're not.
Which one? This one here.
Yeah.
Are you sure you wanna go? And come back here tomorrow early? Wake up early tomorrow morning?
Hon, do I feel like doing that? No, hon, but I think I should.
Why you should? You miss the kids?
That, and I'd like to get. And you're so worried about the dogs waiting. Hon, they're fine.
No, they're not, Han. You know that.
Hon, they're fine.
You're not. You don't understand. You look so tired, big boy.
I am so tired, hon.
Then tomorrow you're gonna be more tired, Han.
Yes, hon.
Then sit down,
And
Han.
and my body feels like how my legs have been killing me. My feet are fucking
Okay,
killing
then
me.
you stay here. This is the decision now. You stay here, and then next week we're gonna do all that again. What your plan is you're gonna do next week, okay? So you stay here. Even though it's Saki, I leave you here, and then I'm gonna go there without you and the kids expect. No, it's just it's Saki, but we're gonna do it because you have appointment tomorrow. It's important. And then I don't just. For now, you would think it's gonna be Saki tomorrow, but in real life, when it happens, you wake up early tomorrow, it's gonna be more Saki. Because you get up in the morning, you're waiting for Mom, you stress more. So I guess I'm gonna move the car. Yeah. Yes, I'm gonna move my car because we're gonna go to the dialysis. And I will put you right here, okay guys? I'm just gonna put this car to the grass. Grass. Oh my God, malapit kayo guys, oy. Malapit kayo guys sa mukha ko guys. Hi guys. Tommy is not going with me. He's sleeping. He's not going with me. He's just in there. He's just gonna stay here. My kids over there is alone. Kind of sleepy too. Tired. And what else? Hi guys, I got back here. It's 5:30 already. Well, I got back a while ago while my focus is really bad. Anyway, got back here and my head is killing me. The wind is crazy. Yeah, my head is just... And the dog did something really bad. They have to be punished. Yelled at, smacked their behind, which is I know it's Misty doing the business. and so I know it's her. When I said who did this, she's the one like that. Kinda ni ok ba. So weird coming back here without Tommy. Every time. This is not really good. Living separate house. Can you hear the loneliness here? Can you feel the loneliness in this house? Can you feel the quietness? Look, Tommy. Yeah, he keep calling me. This is the third time he called me. He called me twice in the car. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
I'm not staying on the phone. I just figured I'd tell you something you might be interested in.
What?
I look at BJ's Club.
Mm-hmm.
Right, that's what we remember of, right?
Yeah.
You know what they have?
What?
Ribs in a bag.
Ribs? What ribs?
The ones that you really like in the bag.
Seriously?
Yep.
They have it?
Yep. The one over here does not.
Are you sure, hon?
Looking it up, yes.
No, but I think our membership is already done.
Is it? Why? You got a letter?
No, I don't get a letter, but you know, you get an email. No letter, email. You usually get an email to tell you, to inform you.
Yeah, I just automatically renews or something.
Well, you know what? I will let you know when I go there, because, okay, I will probably go there tomorrow, because I don't have egg anyway.
Well, you have a card?
Oh, I have a card.
Okay.
We both have a card.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I don't know if they accept American Express over there.
I don't know. Well, I just thought I'd tell you.
That's nice that they have it. It's been a long time we don't have that. That's so good.
This is Sue calling. Let me answer that.
Okay, bye. There is ribs, really good ribs in the bag. I will put a picture here. Research which store you have, because try it, guys. Just follow the instruction of that bag. You would say this is the best ever spare ribs. I'm not kidding. When I say it's really good, it's really good. It's like, it's so like tender and juicy and tasty and I don't know, it's so good. There's two different kind. I like the plain one, like, you know, there's no too much flavoring. I like the original one, the plain one, but it's flavored. It's really good, guys. It's like amazing. Hello, guys. It's 7 o'clock already in the evening, but this is what evening looks like. This is what the evening looks like. Very evening. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock, but look how nice it is. So nicey. Anyway, so here, guys, look how nice is my black view. The background, guys, so look how nice it is. Ooh. The wind is perfect. It's not cold. It's perfect. He really wanna come here, guys, but I told him because he's gonna be really tired coming here, and no, he's gonna be tired and then woke up early in the morning. So yeah, he's gonna need to wake up early in the morning. If he's here today, that means he woke up early in the morning, drive to the traffic, and you know the deal, traffic, and then he have to rush himself to go to the doctor. But I understand why he want to come here. He told me he misses Roxy, he misses the dogs, he misses the cats, and he's missing the animals. They're playing right now. Did you miss me when I left? Did you miss me when I left? Did you miss me? Do you want to see Dada? Do you miss your Dada? Don't look at their tail, guys. I think they want to go outside. Psst. Bring this one in here. This is from the other house, supposedly. But I said, no, I'm always here now, so why not bring it? Liquid seasoning original, no more. It's really good. Tomorrow is a laundry day, cleaning day. going to BJ's to pick up something, and that's it. Hi guys, editing time. I just turned the light over there, and because I'm going to edit, I will edit right here. I'm just going to end the vlog early. It's already 8:30. I'll end the vlog early. Roxy, come over here. I was upstairs. I tried to look my passport, guys. I can't find my passport. Where did I put my passport? And now I have to think where I put it in. Yeah, I have to think. And also I try to, because somebody requested if I have some few videos in the Philippines. I don't know, guys. I won't promise, but if there is, I try to recover. Hi guys, good morning. Insert shout out, guys. Shout out to Jill Imperial. Hi Jill, thank you for watching, and also happy birthday to Sheila Jamsay, Ate Icol Ate Lick, and Kuya Leryu. Hi guys, thank you guys for watching. And also another shout out to Jibong, brother of Altri Camilio. Happy birthday this coming May 22nd tomorrow. Hi, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in minutes. Hi Atita Inday and Sistis. Hi, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't want her to wake up. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye. I tried to lock my hard drive, which is my hard drive, they won't connect into my laptop, to my Mac. So I was looking for video or pictures from my hard drive, connect to my old laptops, the old laptops that I have, guys. And I forgot to freaking, guys, to be honest with you guys, there's no drama. I forget to use my window and my other laptop, and I forget to use it. I don't know where to find the the hard drive that I connected, because usually it's pop up. I thought it's going to pop up, but I've been waiting, doesn't pop up the hard drive thing, and to click it to see all the file inside. But I can't, I for some reason I forgot, and then I'm gonna ask Tommy how to do it, because it's just ridiculous. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you tomorrow, because right now I'm gonna edit for tomorrow's vlog, because I have things to be done. I have things to do tomorrow. So bye. Good night, guys. Bye. Where are you, Rox? Rox, you wanna say bye? Night. Do you wanna say night? Night.